How to link Epic Games to Marvel Rivals account. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's teach you how you will be able to link your Epic Games account. So first things first, open or search up Marvel Rivals in your Google over here. And in this page, you will be able to find their official page, of course. So simply select their official page and you will find your Marvel Rivals over here. After that, click on login over here on the top right. Now over here, you have different options. So simply select Epic Games over here as an option to log into your account. So click on Epic Games Store over here and you will be redirected to the login page of Epic Games. So simply enter your Epic Games information such as email address and password and simply click on sign in. After that, it should automatically connect your Marvel Rivals together with your Epic Games account. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.